William Lyon Mackenzie was a Scottish-born Canadian-American journalist and politician. He founded newspapers critical of the Family Compact, a term used to identify elite members of Upper Canada. He represented York County in the Legislative Assembly of Upper Canada and aligned with reformers. He led the rebels in the Upper Canada Rebellion. After its defeat, he rallied American support for an unsuccessful invasion of Upper Canada as part of the Patriot War. He rose in popularity after his criticism of government officials but failed to implement most of his policy objectives. He is one of the most recognizable reformers of the early 19th century. Raised in Dundee, Scotland, Mackenzie emigrated to York, Upper Canada, in 1820. He published his first newspaper, The Colonial Advocate, in 1824 and was elected a York County representative to the Legislative Assembly in 1827. York became the City of Toronto in 1834 and Mackenzie was elected its first mayor. He declined the Reformers' nomination to run in the 1835 municipal election. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.